Look! Nandito na kami sa part na to. Ayan oh, si Tia mong daming hanash. I love it, mga auntie. Look at that. I love it. Lots ng kamatis. Look, oh, very colorful yung kanila, ano. Ito pala yung starting point doon sa resort na yon. Puro naman pala ito, magkakatabi sila mga resort. Resort world na nila. Tingnan mo itong mabagal pa sa pagong na itong, napabilis pa ako. Alam mo, nag-vlog si Tia mo. Ito talagang tinday ba? Yehey, may napulot pa akong angkit na shell. Manis. Gusto kong pumunta doon, doon sa may pabundok-bundok na hindi. Oh, anong pangalan ng resort nila? Villa Elizabeth. Si Patrick! I saw Patrick! Hello, Patrick! How are you? Ayun si Patrick. Alam mo, paanday sila. Ito si SpongeBob. Hoy, picturean mo ako dito. Ito si SpongeBob at si Patrick, dali. Umarito ka. Ito si SpongeBob, dali. Picturean mo ako dito. Dato, ang ganda ng resort nila. Very colorful. Tapos may swimming pool doon sa loob. Oh. Let's go. Mag-picturean mo na si auntie mo. At yung ating photographer mo pala ang reklamo ngayon sa baba. Oo. Ay, oo. Dali, dito mo ako putuhan. Yan, dyan, putuhan mo ko. We're heading back. Nakailang kilometers na tayo, be?
3-point-something kilometers.
Okay, we're so healthy. We are so healthy na, mga ante. Love it. Thank you, Jehovah God, for this amazing day.
Okay. I just want to say thank you to my photographer/videographer while taking my enemy under the sun. And of course, most importantly, thank you Jehovah God for this amazing day, for guiding and protecting us while we're here and when we're going back home. And to all my followers, my subscribers, my silent pero tingin ko naman wala naman akong haters din. Wala pa namang nambabash sa akin. So
you never know.
Oh, at least silent sila, hindi sila nambabash. And positive lang mga ante, huwag tayong maging mega. Ano lang tayo, ang purpose ng aking ginagawa is for positivity and to inspire other women out there na maging ano lang kayo, authentic, and of course love yourself.
Be yourself.
Yes, and nothing more. That's it. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day, everyone. Okay, we're going back. Thank you very much for this amazing day. Salita ka.
What am I going to say? We're going back.
Okay, let's go. Dahil si Dada ay nag-convulsion na doon.
Iinom daw siya ng maintenance.
Okay, bye-bye everyone.